What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with the second iteration of the social status cop of some grails. So let's just get right into it. Now, I love the bags these come in, by the way, but shout out to Social Status. Shout out to Social Status. I love that store. Love it so much. I'm going to go ahead and play the clip of me copping these because there's some info that he gives on how they do the raffles and everything else work out pretty good. I mainly brought up to him like I was crazy that I was able to cop one and my mom was able to cop one. I had her and my wife put in for one too. So yeah, just check it out. We'll get into unboxing this after that. So. How much is it?
Let's see. 268, I believe. Yeah, 268.13. There they are.
Sweet. Man, you guys made my day with this. Like,
Yeah,
I got
glad,
straight
man.
raped earlier on Adidas. Like,
Yeah?
yeah, and right afterwards, like, she was on it too. She actually almost was able to add one to cart. And after everything was all said and done, I got a text like 20 minutes later.
Well,
I was like, oh, you guys are awesome. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. 280. But I'm glad you got your shoes, man.
Yeah, me too, man. It's awesome. I appreciate it.
There you go.
Thank you.
Here's your bag. There you go.
Thanks a lot,
Look at
man.
that.
Dude. That's what I was saying. I was like, did nobody put in for this raffle? Like,
So I'll explain how I do it. We get a giant spreadsheet, right? And there'll be like a couple hundred names. For this, since there's two colors, it's a bit tricky, but what I did is I filtered the spreadsheet by color, and then I just copy and paste one color onto a different spreadsheet. Then I organize it by size, so it's 8 to 13 or whatever.
Yeah.
And then I just get on Google like a random number generator, and if the first 15 people went for a size 8, I just do numbers 1 through 15, click random number, and whatever the number is that it pulls, it'll be that like.
cool.
It'll be like number whatever on the spreadsheet. So
Sweet.
the luck of the draw.
I saw it and then I was like, hell yeah. And I was about to text her and she texted me before I did that. She was like, I just got a text that we won, or that I won. I was like, what? Hell yeah.
Yeah, both colors.
Did you guys do the pink ones too?
No, we didn't.
Oh, okay, cool. Now, let's jump into unboxing these. These are my favorite by far. Size 12. And I love the box. Like I said in the last one. I think in the last video I said there were 3 lines, but it's 2 lines in the Pharrell Williams. I don't do these scripted, so I was just I was going with the flow. I saw the 3. I said 3 for some reason, so y'all gotta forgive me about that. Now, ooh. Here we go. Equality. Now, just like before, let's get rid of the box. This is going to be a mouthful. These are the Pharrell Adidas NMD HU Holi Festival Pack in the core black colorway. Big title, but great shoe. So I'm not going to go over everything that I did in the last one. So if y'all want to do that, check that video out in this link right here. Now in this colorway reminds me of the Nerd Pack, the ones that were going for so expensive, the Complex Con ones. But I mean, equality, you can't go wrong with that. It's got Sanskrit right here for equality, English and Sanskrit. Now, in the last video, I talked about the Holi festival, where it's for the springtime. It's to celebrate color and love and, you know, all that good stuff. They run around and they just throw like balloons full of like powdered paint at each other and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. And I mean, you can catch videos on like on TV that talk about it and stuff like that if you're ever interested in those. Now, you know, he covered all of it. All 4 colorways from the blank canvas to these were all for the Holi festival. Blank canvas starting with a clean slate, the 2 colorways for the multicolored paint, and the equalities to show that everybody's equal. I mean, it goes down so deep as to, just look at this picture. See how everybody looks the same, no matter what your race is. At the end of this festival, you're all covered in paint. You all look the same. So equality. Everybody gets along. Everybody's got a veil over them, so everybody sees them as equal, no matter what you are. And you got to respect them for that. The colorway on these, a lot better, a lot easier to pull off. I mean, the inside actually has the you know, multicolor, the same as the last 2. And just like the last one, the boost on these, so much better than all the rest of them. I don't know what they do. Like, here, I will show you. Let me get out my multicolors. Now, you push it on the multicolor, you know, it goes in. It's pretty good. But you push it on these, you see it. It just goes in so much more. It's so much easier. I don't know why. Maybe it's the crease that's on the NM, or not the NMDs, the Ultra Boost. Maybe it's that little crease that kind of comes together in, you know, in the Ultra Boost that gives it a little bit more support than these do. I don't know, but I definitely dig this. I dig them, and they're so comfortable. So if you're not able to cop a pair, if you're thinking about it, if you got the money to pay resell or whatever, go ahead and pick them up. It's a full sock upper, pretty stretchy, like literally stretchy. It's got the cage. It gives you the support where you need it. It feels like a sock. It's so lightweight. It's amazing. And how I usually wear them is, you know, without the laces tied. I do my Ultra Boost that way. Everything else, because for some reason when you tie these things, they just feel tight. Unless you get like a bigger size or something. So I always leave them untied. You can probably do the same with these. You can do some crazy lace techniques because of this. Right here, you can go in and out. You can do multiple laces. You can do whatever you want. So it's got the same trail bottom to it, which, as I said in the last one, it's just more to wear down. So, and I'm sure it's made from the same Continental rubber, so it's going to take forever to wear down. You can't really go wrong with them. They did a great job making these. You got the 2 lines with the Pharrell Williams on them and the Adidas. You got the extra pair of laces. You got the equality on them. You go black laces, go purple laces that are reflective as well. You can't go wrong with these. So let's see an on feet of them. They look great on feet. Now, which colorways of these did you all cop? Did you cop any colorways? Were you able to cop them? Because it was pretty difficult. I actually had to win the raffle for mine. But I got both of them. Got lucky. So this is just my month. I have a lot of L months, but this month has a lot of W's for me. And I'm so glad that the Witherspoons, however you pronounce his last name, and the Tinker Hatfields are dropping this month, because that just means that I might actually have a chance of getting them. Cross my fingers. Good luck to y'all if y'all are going for them. I hope y'all were able to cop these too, so you don't have to pay the crazy prices. The prices really aren't that bad though. I mean, compared to the other ones being $600-700, these are like $4. So you can't really go wrong. If you want them, jump on them, because they're only going to go up. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Make sure to click this link right here so you can find out about my giveaway. Make sure to follow me on social media, because that's where I'm going to be posting the polls. That may be in the video descriptions. Check out my description of this video for a 10% discount on sole protectors, because they work. Believe me, I've got them on most of my shoes, especially the ones with icy bottoms on them. So 10% discount, trademark 10. So yeah, make sure to follow me, because y'all don't want to miss the videos coming up. Got some bangers. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.